Have you ever watched the sunrise and wondered what if it came from the wrong side? Imagine this, my friend. One morning you wake up and the sun rises in the west. The day feels strange, the world feels backward, and yet this is still Earth. Welcome back to Mystenlight World. And if you new here, don't forget to subscribe so you will never miss another journey through time, space, and imagination. The Earth, our home, spins from west to east. It completes one full rotations every 24 hours, giving us day and night. This direction isn't random. It's the leftover motion from when our planet was born 4.5 billion years ago. Now, what if that spin suddenly flipped? What if our world started turning east to west instead? Before we dive in, remember this is an only assumption. A what if journey, not a prediction. Because in real life, reversing the Earth's rotations would mean absolute destruction. But in our imaginations, we can see what such a world might look like. First, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Time zones would still exist, but traveling around the world would reverse. Look at the sky, the sun would move from right to left. Every shadow, every sunset opposite to what we know. Next, the winds would change direction. The great jet streams that shape our climate would flip. Storms would spin other way. Hurricanes in the northern hemisphere, instead of counterclockwise, would now rotate clockwise. The entire rhythm of atmosphere rewritten. And then the oceans. The Gulf Stream, which keeps European warm, would reverse, sending cold water south. Europe cold freeze like Alaska. The Sahara Desert would bloom with the green light, with the Amazon rainforest would dry into the golden sand. Imagine a mirror Earth, same continent but completely different colors. Desert and forest would switch places. Monsoons would arrive from the opposite directions. Sri Lanka, India, even America would face climates they have never seen before. Scientists from Max Planck Institute in Germany actually tested this idea in simulation. They created a reverse spin Earth inside a supercomputer, and the result was breathtaking. Sahara green, Amazon desert, European frozen. One small change completely reshaped our planet. But what would happen to us? Human history would change too. Explorers like Columbus might never have reached their destinations because ocean currents would block them. Civilizations could have risen in different places. The entire timeline of humanity would like nothing like it does today. And if Earth ever tried to actually reverse its spin, the oceans and atmosphere would keep moving at over 1600 kilometers per hour. A planet-wide storm would wipe everything away. The end in seconds. That's why our directions, this general eastward spin, is perfect. Just like in our last journey to the space shuttle, where humanity dreamed beyond the sky, this time we have traveled inside imagination itself. A reminder that even the smallest detail, like the directions of a spin, keeps the entire world in harmony. So tell me, if the Earth truly began to spin backwards, would humanity adapt or disappear into the storm? I would like to know what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments below because your imaginations might be closer to reality than you. Until the next journey, when the stars call again.